we are going to see what is fillet and how to create a round edge or sharp edge in a corner. There are two ways. This is 3D, and even in 2D sketch there is one option, sketch fillet. But today we will see sketch fillet in 3D model. So this is our model we created in our previous tutorials. So we will see what is actually fillet. So just click the fillet. One window will appear, and here there are many types of fillet, like constant size, variable size, face limit, full rounded fillet. So first we will see constant size. This is the item to be selected. You have to select the edge or face, but we are going to see edge first. And here we have to fix the radius, how much radius you want. And here profile, there are three profiles: circular, conic row and conic radius. We will first see circular. So just assign your radius, let's say 4 mm, and let's select one edge. See, we selected this edge and it is selected the whole radius. Select OK. Now see, our top surface, top edge is converted with radius. We will try one more. This time make 6 mm and select any one edge. Let's select this edge. See, this edge going to select from top to bottom. Select OK. Now see, it becomes radius. The same as we can do for bottom also. Select any one side. See, it is selected here. Radius. Select OK. So this is the constant edge fillet. We will see another in our coming tutorial. I hope you enjoyed.